In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete or remove your profile update photos or posts from your Facebook account. So whenever you go ahead and upload a profile image or a cover image, sometimes it is posted directly if you didn't check the option not to post it. Once it is updated on your profile, it will be available to all your viewers. And sometimes you may want just go ahead and delete this or remove it. Unfortunately, Facebook doesn't provide a straightforward way to delete this. However, it has given you an option to go ahead and hide it. So for my case, I want to go ahead and remove this. This is my profile picture. I want to remove it from my profile, but I still want to maintain it as my profile picture. To remove it from my posts or from my wall, just head over to these three dots here and then tap on them. And then we have an option here called hide from profile. If you tap on this, we are told that this post may still appear in other places. However, no one on your profile who visits your profile will be able to see it. What this means is it will appear on places such as your profile image. Because it has been used as your profile image, it will still be maintained. However, it will not appear to your visitors on your wall, but it will appear to them as your profile picture. So go ahead and tap on hide from profile. And then you are told that this post may still appear in other places. Just go ahead and confirm. And straight away, the post has been removed. It is no longer being shown on my timeline. So that's how you remove your profile updates and your cover page updates from your timeline. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.